Hello everyone, today's dash cam is the DEEPMOTO D16X model. It has a 5-inch display and is operated by touch. Swipe left to enter the My Journey module, and click to enter the journey to view riding data, such as time, speed, altitude, etc. Then swipe left to enter the straight line racing mode. There are 2 modes here, speed and mileage racing modes. The final ranking is based on time. The HUD interface records real-time data during riding, including inclination angle, speed, altitude, air pressure, tire temperature, and tire pressure.
The dash cam records immediately when it is turned on. The D16X has a built-in 128GB memory chip, so there is no need to purchase additional memory cards. Compared with traditional memory card storage methods, chip storage can stabilize video recording and save files even under high-speed impacts. In the recording interface, the status bar displays the recording status, recording time, front and rear lens connection icons, date, time, one-click driving, Wi-Fi, GPS, microphone, and Bluetooth status. The right side shows the front and rear tire pressure status. The values will only be displayed if tire pressure sensors are purchased and installed. On the left are riding speed, altitude, and air pressure. The icons at the bottom respectively represent the menu, screen projection function, Wi-Fi switch, microphone switch, photo taking, and front and rear lens switching switch. The rear lens can be used as a rear view mirror. Remember to turn on the mirror preview. The last one is the video playback list. Enter the menu interface. In setting 1, the USB mode is divided into charging mode and mass storage mode. Video files can be read by selecting mass storage mode. The screensaver is a setting for the HUD interface. When the dash cam is not operated for a long time, it will enter the HUD interface. Here you can set how long it takes to enter the HUD interface. If you choose to turn it off, the riding screen will be displayed in real time. Next is system volume, image preview, and formatting. Loop recording. Set the time for loop recording video. Next is the Wi-Fi switch. Parking monitoring. The default is off. High, medium, and low are the sensitivities that trigger parking monitoring. GPS switch. When your time cannot be adjusted, the GPS may be turned off. This is the GPS time zone. Enter settings 2. There are microphone switch, language setting, time watermark, tire pressure matching, level calibration, safe driving tips, factory reset, device information, audio channel selection, speed unit switching, daylight saving time switch, tire pressure unit switching, tire temperature unit switching.